Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain how shifts in the aggregate supply can lead to recessions using a real-world example. First, let's start with the basics. Aggregate supply, or AS, represents the total output that firms in an economy are willing or able to produce at different price levels. In the short run, this is shown by the upward sloping SRAS curve in the ADAS model, or the aggregate demand aggregate supply model. A recession can happen when aggregate supply decreases, meaning the SRAS curve shifts to the left. This is often caused by higher production costs, supply chain disruptions, or negative shocks to key resources like energy. When this happens, two things occur at the same time. Output falls and price rises. This combination is sometimes called the stagflation, which is especially challenging for policymakers. A well-known historical example is in the 1970s oil crisis. During this time, oil prices sharply increased due to supply restrictions from major oil-producing countries. Since oil is a key input for transportation and production, this raised costs for businesses across the economy. As a result, aggregate supply decreased, shifting the SRAS curve left. This led to lower economic output and higher inflation in countries like the United States and Canada and all around the world. The effects were significant. Unemployment increased as firms reduced production, and consumers faced rising prices, reducing their purchasing power. Now, something similar is happening across the world right now. Due to a lack of access to oil, prices are rising, about $160 in Canada right now. So, in summary, a negative supply shock shifts aggregate supply to the left, causing a recession characterized by lower output and higher inflation. Thanks for watching. Bye.